back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Today, we are going to be doing another Amazon favorites video. Guys, I have done a bunch of Amazon favorites videos and I will leave links to all of those in the description below. Today is an extra special one because we are going to be talking about spring and summer favorites. I'm so excited for spring and summer, even though it seems like 2020 is about to be canceled all around because of this coronavirus thing. I'm very upset. But if you are taking advantage of all the super cheap plane tickets, then a lot of these items are for you. Or if you are not, I have a bunch of spring cleaning things that made this list too. So if you're just gonna be quarantined in your house all spring and summer, then it might as well be clean. So without further ado, let's get started. So first on the list are these sunglasses by SOJOS. And guys, they are sponsoring today's giveaway. So make sure you watch through this whole video to find out exactly how to enter, but I'm gonna show you what their sunglasses look like because they are freaking amazing. They all come in these super nice triangle cases and the inside is like a nice soft protective material, and they also come with a tool. Who hasn't needed like one of those little mini sunglass tools? They also come with one of the, you know, like a little sunglass wiper thing. So this is pair number 1, and I will pop up the name of all of them down here. By the way, guys, I'm gonna be giving away 2 of these sunglasses, and I have a pair of their blue light blocking glasses that I will also be giving away. The giveaway is gonna be held on my Instagram. It's at HelloKristenTV. So I'll tell you a little bit later how to enter that, but make sure that you're following me over on HelloKristenTV. So this is style number 2, and they have way more styles than this. I just picked these ones out because they were cool. So honestly, I think that these ones are my favorite. These are so super trendy and I have been wearing these everywhere and I get compliments on them all the time. I see lots of like other YouTubers wearing styles like this or people on Instagram wearing styles like this. They're like universally flattering. So this is look number 3 and this is so cool and so edgy. I think this one is a unisex design, so it's for guys and girls. This one is look number 4. This is also unisex for guys or for girls. I really like this one, how it has the sunglass part in the middle. It doesn't like break off. So that one's really good and it would be really flattering for some face shapes. And then last but not least, we have these ones. Oh my God, look at how cute this packaging is. It comes with this adorable pink little case. Look at how cute this is. This is my favorite color, pink. Like I want everything to be this color. Look at these sunglasses, guys. I mean, obviously they're really extra, but with the right outfit and like the right face shape, oh my God, these are a look. Absolutely love them. They are so cheap and like, guys, I don't know about you, but I have a tendency of losing sunglasses all the time. I could never own a pair of really nice sunglasses. Like I really wanted this pair of like Tom Ford sunglasses and I'm like, no. You will lose it, scratch it, forget it somewhere, break them. Something will happen to them. But if I buy cheap pairs, I'll have them forever. That's just how life works for me. Absolutely love these. Keep watching this video to learn how to enter the giveaway. Next on the list are these exfoliating gloves. I highly recommend getting these exfoliating gloves from Amazon. They're only like $8 and they are so freaking good. So I just started doing like self-tanning stuff at home and these are amazing. I used to use like the body scrubs, but I would go through like an entire bottle of body scrub in like a week. So I absolutely love these. These are nice and thick. They get all of the dead skin off. Even if you're not doing sunless tanning, these are great to do before you go to shave, or if you're gonna be like wearing shorts out and you just wanna look like extra smooth and shiny. Your lotions go on better, your products go on better. Highly, highly recommend these. They make showering and like exfoliating so much easier and faster. Next on the list is this giant pack of earrings from Amazon. I think you get like 16 pairs of earrings for $20 and these are so cool. But this giant pack, it just gives you, it's like a perfect starter kit. These are so great for summer and spring like outfits. Like look at this. So this earring on Amazon alone is like $6.99. I wanted it really badly, but then I saw it came in this pack of 16 earrings for 20 bucks. So I had to get the pack and I'm so happy that I did. When I went to Hawaii, I wore so many of them, and I wore ones like I never thought I would wear. Like if this one came in the pack and I was like, I will never ever wear this earring. But when I tried it on with my outfits, it looked so good. I was so surprised. I love this pack of earrings. If there's a couple in there that you don't want, just gift them to people. So next on the list are these Amazon bathing suits. Guys, do not sleep on Amazon bathing suits. They are only $19.99 and they have like every single color and print under the sun. I absolutely love this style. It was so cool. It has like this cool cutout thing and it's super flattering on everyone. So highly recommend stocking up in like every single color. And even if you're not into these, just Amazon in general has so many amazing bathing suits on there. I can't believe it. And they're so much cheaper than the ones in the stores. Like if you go to PacSun, they charge you like $30 for the top and $30 for the bottom. And these sets on Amazon are like 20 bucks. They're so good. Highly recommend. And I love that you can get them. If you don't like them, you can return them. They have a great policy for returning stuff if things don't fit you correctly on Amazon. So next on the list, we have this adorable personal fan. So I've been watching other YouTubers, Amazon favorites, and everybody was getting these big handheld fans so that they could like dry their serums or dry their setting sprays and stuff. So naturally, I felt like I needed one. But when I was on there, I saw like everybody was getting really large ones. And I'm like, I don't really have room for that. But this one I thought would be great because if I wanted to take it to the beach or if I'm on the subway or traveling during the summer, this is perfect. It is so teeny tiny, it's compact. It has 2 different speeds. So there's this one and then it goes up higher. And it also doubles as a cell phone charging bank. Why it needs to do that, I don't know, but it's great that you have an extra charge right from this thing. And another thing that's really cool about it is it's also a flashlight. I also use this when I'm painting my nails. So this flips and it acts as a little stand. Love this, love everything about it. Highly recommend, especially if you're gonna get one, why not get one that's like multi-purpose? Okay, so next on the list is the hair dryer. I know that you guys have seen this. This was like such a super hot Christmas gift item on Amazon. Absolutely love it. This is so great to take on vacation with you because it's just one piece. You don't need your giant hair dryer and a round brush and whatever. All you need is this, and it's super lightweight. So Revlon makes one. I actually got a non-brand name one because the Revlon one was sold out because of like Christmas and everything, but this one works just fine. You can like curl your hair with it, you can straighten your hair with it. The one thing that I would highly recommend is you still need to use a heat protectant spray because the ceramic plates can get a little bit hot. And if you're not careful, because it's so easy to do your hair with this, you might want to like keep it on one spot for a long time. But I was reading in the comments that a lot of people struggled with some hair breakage. But once you know that and you take caution to like constantly keep it moving, it's amazing. It's so much easier to do my hair. It doesn't hurt my arms. This is like my #1 thing for traveling. This is all I take. I just take this in a straightener. I don't even really need the straightener if I have this. Like, you just need this. This is amazing for blowouts at home. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. The next item on the list is this Panama hat. So sun protection is like a huge thing nowadays. If you guys don't want to get wrinkles or anything, you need to be protecting yourself in the sun. This one is super cute. I've seen so many blog posts on it, so many like Instagrammers and stuff wearing this Panama hat. They have all different colors. They have like dark tan, they have ones that this is brown and not black, lighter tan, white. It comes in so many colors, and it's adjustable. There's a rope on the inside to adjust it to your head if you have a smaller head, but I absolutely love it. The camera isn't doing it justice in this photo, but I really love this hat. I'll pop up some pictures here of my Instagram and how I styled it and everything. It doesn't go with this dress, obviously, but I do really love this hat. It is like super cheap. It's like 20 bucks. Okay, so next Amazon favorite is this straw bag. Highly recommend this straw bag. Does everybody remember when this first came out? These were $60, $70, $80, and you could could not find them any cheaper. This was like 23 bucks on Amazon. Great quality. It's like a snap purse and the inside is super nice. It'll definitely fit your iPhone Max. It just instantly dresses up any outfit, and it definitely makes you feel like tropical summery vibes. Love this. $23.99 on Amazon. Highly, highly recommend. All right, so next on the list is this boob tape. I don't know what else to call it other than it's boob tape. So I hate when you have tops in the summer that like no bras can go with. So the instructions show you lots of different ways that you can adjust and use this tape, but I love that it's nude. It will like cover your parts so they won't show through shirts, and it will help lift it, and you can tape yourself all different ways to go with different dresses or shirts. So I absolutely love this stuff in the summer. I featured this in my Princess Polly video. Also guys, I got this dress from Princess Polly. I will leave a link to that video in the description below. I also have some discount codes for that too. But yes, absolutely love this. This is a must-have for the spring and summer. Also, to go with this is the Fearless tape. So this is a double-sided fashion sticky tape. So you can put the sticky tape like right here, and then it will stick your clothes to you so that you don't have any like gaps, or like if you bend over, you don't have to worry about your shirt popping open or anything. So highly recommend the fashion tape and this together. So if you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment below what your favorite thing was from this Amazon haul, then go over to my Instagram and find my latest post and post on there what your favorite item was. Also, I really pay attention to people who are like really engaged in my Instagram. So guys, if you are super active in my comment sections here and on my Instagram, then it like quadruples your chances of winning. So next on the list is a little bit weird, but I got a home security camera. Not so much for home security, but I mean, yeah, I guess home security is nice, but mostly for my pets. So when I went away to Hawaii, my roommate was watching my dog and my cat, and while I was on the trip, I was like constantly worried about them for some reason. Not because of her, like she takes care of them fine, but she's at work a lot during the day. I found myself overly worried about especially like my dog. So I love the idea of having a camera that I can just check in. I only have it on my room because the dog sleeps on my bed, so as long as I know that he's okay and he's alive and I can see them both moving, it really puts myself at ease. So if you are planning on traveling and you have pets, or just like if you're away all day at work and you find that you're overly worrying about your pet or like your kids or anything, I highly recommend getting a home security camera to use for that. I can control from my phone, and it can like zoom around and it can look up and down just from my phone. I was thinking that they were gonna be super crazy expensive, but they are not at all. And the setup was so easy. Like I could not believe how easy the setup was. So definitely recommend. Even if you're not tech savvy, you can definitely set this thing up. Okay guys, so like I said before, if we're all quarantined in our houses and we can't go out this spring and summer because of the coronavirus, then we should at least keep our places clean. So I have 3 cleaning product recommendations from Amazon that are like my new favorites. So as many of you know, I have a dog and 2 cats in this apartment, and things get really hairy. This is the best thing I have ever found on Amazon. Thank you, God. This is called the Chom Chom, and it's like, all right, it is like 26 bucks, but it is worth every penny. The best thing about it is that it's not like a sticky roller. Like I would use an entire sticky roller just for my couch. It's this red material, and what you do is you go back and forth on whatever area you're on, and then it catches it in the back. So, and then you just dump it out in the garbage. If you have pets, you need this, like you need it. Next on the list, we have this cordless vacuum from Levoit. Thank you so much to Levoit who actually sent me this. So this is like a rival for like the Dyson vacuum. One, I love that it is cordless. I have, again, 2 cats and a dog here, and I hate getting out the vacuum every single time I want to clean up after them. It's lightweight. It has 2 different modes. So the first mode is for hardwood floors, and then the second mode is like even more intense, and it's meant for like carpets. But this thing is great if I like just clean out the litter box, and you know how like you get stuff all over. It's so perfect without dragging out your giant vacuum and having to plug it in and then wind it all back up. No, gone are those days. And it comes with all of these attachments. So it is a cordless vacuum, but it also comes with attachments to make it be like a little handheld vacuum. And next on the list is this floor steamer. Not only is this a floor steamer, but it is an anything steamer. So if you want to steam your countertops for whatever reason, you can do that with this steamer. If you want to steam your windows or your shower, anything. It is not just a floor steamer, it's an anything steamer, and I absolutely love it. There's nothing better than having like nice, fresh, cleaned floors. And like mopping doesn't do the job anymore. It just like moves the dirt around, but steaming really gets all the gunk up and out. And if you want to take it to another level, I put a couple drops of essential oil on the pad before I put it on, and it makes your whole apartment smell so, so nice. So that is it for my Amazon favorites video. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was from the haul. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. My Instagram tag is @HelloKristenTV. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item was. Let me know over on my Instagram what your favorite item was. If I can match you up, triple points. Also guys, I am on TikTok and I am obsessed with TikTok, and my whole TikTok thing is all things that I like. So it's like super quick, what to buy at the dollar store, what to buy at Target. So definitely go over to TikTok and follow me over there. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.